How to get 55% off Delta coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Delta Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website, and this website you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Delta Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $350 off, $100 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Copy it, then click on Redeem at Delta. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Delta Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily get up to 55% off Delta working coupon code. Likewise, you can also check out these websites. So that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.